Hey guys, welcome to our family. So my kids decided they're gonna make cornbread the Liberian way. So these are the ingredients they're gonna be using. As you can see in this video, they have egg, they have some sort of milk, and my son is a great helper. He's helping his sister. So that's the actual cornbread, the mix to the cornbread. So I guess he's gonna put it in the bowl and then taking his time, going. Cornbread is getting the bowl. That looks like brown sugar. Personally, I think the brown sugar is a lot, but hey, they're cooking. So brown sugar is added to the cornbread, and that's nutmeg. So they went ahead and added some nutmeg to it. Yeah, it's looking good so far. Let's see what they're up to. And yeah, so after the nutmeg, that's butter. So I think they're gonna melt the butter. Yep. So butter is going in the microwave. Butter in the microwave. Yeah, so they went ahead and melted the butter. It looked like they put 1 minute on it. So eggs. So he's bringing the eggs in a jar. That looked like, I think, 3 or 4 eggs, maybe 3 eggs. So they are going to do, it's more than 3 eggs, or 2, 4, maybe 6 eggs. And then they went in with the milk, the condensed milk. So they added milk to the eggs. Okay, how many milks are you guys going to use now? Let's see. Maybe 2. So stir the milk with the egg. And then what's next? They went in with something. I think I know the name. I don't know. Yeah, vanilla flavor. All right, vanilla flavor was added to the eggs and the milk. Okay, this is gonna turn. Like when I make this, it be so good. I guess it's gonna turn out. Okay, so those things gonna be added to the mix of the cornbread. All right, and then they're gonna give it a very great stir. It's looking good so far. Like my daughter is a great cook. Okay, so I trust this be the bomb. All right, so put all of that in it. Give it a really great stir. Stirring. What's the next process? All right, I think they put more there. Now they went in with the butter, the melted butter. They're gonna, yep. So it's hot to her taste. And then that gonna go in with the mist. And they are spraying the pan because they're about to put that cornbread in it, the mixture of that cornbread in it. Okay, that looks so good. All right, so it goes in there. Everything goes in there. Love it so far. When I tell you this cornbread be tasting so good, like, yeah, that's how it look. And they are now going in the oven. So cornbread is going in the oven. I'm not sure how many minutes it's staying in the oven for, but what I know is they love to lick the bowl. That's my son and my daughter. They love to lick the bowl, and they love to help that older sister in the kitchen. When I tell you this bread was good, it was really good. Welcome to my family. And hey, follow me on all social media. We are a loving family. This bread will turn out good. You just wait for a second and you can see the outcomes of it. Everybody loves it. That's the outcome. Yummy bread. Tasted really good. We are the Bucket family on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. Amanda on